Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Olympus E-P7 with Fujifilm X100V. What are the main differences and what you can do? So sensor is better for Fujifilm X100V, you can have 6 megabits. Then also the ISO range you see right here is 200 to 25,000, 160 to 1280. So it really depends which one you actually need. Then lens mount is primarily really depends also, but it could be better for X100V. Then also the continuous shooting speed 11 FPS, that's good, and weight is better for Olympus, same with dimensions. Now when we are going to look here on the differences, so Olympus is better in sensor shift, max ISO, weight, selfie, longer LCD, eye tracking focus. On the other hand, the Fujifilm is better for electronic and optical viewfinder, sensor resolution, number of focus points, LCD resolution, max elect shutter, continuous shooting, battery life, a microphone port, environmental ceiling, sensor pixel area, built-in ND filter, focus bracketing, and max video bitrate and webcam function. That's it. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye.